It's me, Carrie here. Yeah, you see this. This is a brand new stuff for me. I've never tried this before, so this is the very first time I try to use this microphone to record any kind of things on the computer, also on a computer. So it's a brand new surprise for you guys, and I really hope you like it. So I just did my makeup today, so I think I should not waste it. I should make really good use of it. So this is why I decided to record a song for you, since I haven't been recording a song for a really long time. So I think it's gonna be a really good chance to see you guys again, right? Okay, so today, as you can clearly see, that all of my devices and my equipments are different, and yeah, it's just gonna be a brand new experience for me. So I hope that you can like it, and I'm gonna sing something just like this by the Chainsmokers and Imagine Dragons and Coldplay. Yeah, Coldplay and Chainsmokers. Sorry about that. But I'm going to sing another version of that. So, and I'm going to play the acoustic version on my phone and record it straight into my computer. I have no idea how it's going to be like. So, wish me luck, and I really hope you like it. If you do enjoy it, please remember to give me a thumbs up and give me a like and thumbs up, and also remember to comment down below for what you think about the song, and if you like it, please remember to share it to your friends and don't be shy. So yeah, let's do it. Yay, something just like this. Let's do it. Been reading books of old, the legends and the myth, Achilles and his gold, Hercules and his gift, and Spider-Man's control, and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon the list. She said, where you wanna go, how much you wanna risk. I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can miss. I want something just like this. Ooh, 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 ooh. And I want something just like this. Ooh, 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 ooh. I want something just like this. Hey, yeah. Ooh, no, I want something just like this. Yeah, hey. Been reading books of old, the legends and the myth, the testaments that it told, the moon and its eclipse, and Superman unrolls a suit before he lives. But I am not the kind of person that it fits. She said, where'd you wanna go, how much you wanna risk. I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can miss. I want something just like this. Ooh, ooh, ah, 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 yeah. No, I want something just like this. Hey, yeah. Do-do-do, 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 do-do. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Where you wanna go, how much you wanna risk. I'm not looking for somebody with some superhuman gifts, some superhero, some fairy tale bliss, just something I can turn to, somebody I can kiss. I want something just like this. Hope you like it.